So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create or make game pass in Roblox. So since the new update of Roblox, many users are confused because its interface is completely changed in create option. So guys, just follow me in this video till the end and you will be able to easily make or create a game pass for please donate game. So just let's open the Chrome browser first of all and search for Roblox. So go to the official website of Roblox first, and when it is open guys, click on this option, uh, continue in browser. So it will open the site in browser mode, else it will open in app, and which is not possible there to create a game pass. So once it is open guys, just click on this create, but before that make sure you are logged in your account. Once so just click on this create option. So when we click on create, it will ask you to download Roblox Studio for Windows since we are using mobile. So just click on three dots and go to this desktop site mode. Fine, so just click on it and it will open the site in desktop mode, so you don't have to use PC or either PC or laptop. So just once it is open, now you will notice that the interface of the Roblox is completely changed after the new updates. So, and all the tabs are new, and if you open the menu option, it has different options and different lists. So guys, that's why people are confusing. So what you need to do, you just need to click on this by default experience. When you click on it, now if you open this, or if you open the menu, when you click on this menu option again, and now you will find a option called uh, associate items. Just click on this option, and now you can find guys the pass option here. So just go to this option, and now you can see I have already created two passes here. So it is just for the demo, don't go for the image guys. So it is just for the demo, that's why I have uploaded the any random image. So it was so just if you want to create basically pass, you have to click on this create create a pass option. So when you click on this create a pass, it will redirect to this page, and where you have to upload the image first, then you have to enter the game pass name, then you have to add the description, and then you can click on this create pass. So let's upload the image. Again, I'm going to upload any random image here. So I have not made any. So I've just uploaded the any random image. So now you have to name the game pass. So I'm gonna name it like new demo, or new pass. That will be fine. So now you have to add description. So you can add up to 1000 characters of description. So I'm gonna type a very short description, like it is just for the demo, now once you're done with this, you have to click on this option create pass. Just click on it, and your pass will be created and listed here. So right now you can see there is off sale written next to the pass. So you will find this option here. So you can see that it is right now for off sale. So to make it sale, or to set it up for the sale, you have to again go to this option. But before that, you have to click on the new pass, the pass that you have recently created. Now you have to go to this option, menu option, and now you will find sale option here. Just click on it to make it for the sale. So just enable this option, item. Okay, let me do that, this option. So enable this option and put the price on the game pass. So suppose I'm putting it on 30 robux. So since the user usually get 70% of it, if you are putting 30, you will get 21. So once you are done with this, just click on this save setting. Fine. So when we click on save setting, it will save your sale and set up everything. So now, so guys, there is no any configurations option here like it was before. Let me click on this. So yeah, now here you will find the configuration option like before. So just click on it to see. Now you find the configuration option here, but we actually don't need that since we have done this. We just need one of the user asking me where is the configuration option, so you can find here, but we don't need configuration right now because all the options are available here. So right now it is in the review of a process. So once you're done with this, guys, let's open the please donate and set it up for the sale. So just we'll put it for the stall selling, for the sale on stall. So let's go to the roblox app and play the game please donate. So let me open and make sure you are logged in with the same ID that where we have created the game pass. So just open the please donate. So if you want to play donate please donate and you're not being able to find here, so you can click on the search option and search for the PLS donate and just click on this play button and your game will be open. Just let me know again, it will take time. So right now it is joining. Button open. So once you reach here, just close. Now you can go to the empty stall and you set up your, like here you will find this is the empty one. You can hold this stand button and your game pass will be listed here. So if any of the game pass will be sold, then you will get 70% of it. I can only set it up for one booth. So right now in India it is usually called stall or something like that, but in US it is called booth. So yeah, so you can just put it on one booth at a time, and you can see I have created 3 game passes here. So yeah, that's how you can do it. I hope you like it, and if you are still doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.